Well, there's a lot of talk about whether or not Louisianans will be facing yet another mandatory mask mandate indoors. News 15's Princess Janae Steverson-Lowry joins us live tonight to tell us about the newest concern when it comes to wearing a mask.
I'm here outside Lafayette Parish School System, where in just a short 2 weeks, kids all over Lafayette Parish will be starting their first day of school. But COVID, it's still here, which has a lot of parents wondering, what is LPSS doing to protect my child during coronavirus, especially while Delta is circulating? One parent in particular is Dr. Brittany Hebert of Lafayette Internal Medicine Clinic. She's been at the forefront of helping to fight COVID-19 since the very beginning.
It's just extremely more transmissible to everyone, including vaccinated people, unfortunately, but they do great. Everyone is more likely to get Delta, kids included, adults included.
There isn't much data right now to show that children are more vulnerable to catching COVID, but
they don't wash their hands, they put random things in their mouth, they wrestle with each other more. I mean, when's the last time you went over to dinner at someone's house and you wrestled with them while you were there? Like, we just don't get as close to each other as adults as kids do to each other.
Father of a 10-year-old Evan Cox homeschooled his kid for 2 years until sending him back to public school. Evan says he was struggling to keep up with his son's ever-changing curriculum.
It's definitely a good idea that most children or all children and faculty and staff wear masks regardless of if they're vaccinated.
Being unvaccinated is the biggest risk factor for getting sick with Delta. Why? Because vaccines take 4 to 6 weeks to protect you.
This is not a joke.
Christian Foulajay is the proud papa of a 1-year-old and a newborn baby who fears COVID could still be around by the time his kids start school. After having COVID, he says he doesn't want any child to feel the way he did.
I was just sitting in the house and my wife came in. She said, "You really look really bad." She took my temperature. It was like 104 degrees. So she brought me straight to the urgent care, and they tested me right there, and they said I had it.
Dr. Hebert says with our current surge, schools going without masks would be like pouring gasoline on a forest fire. Now, getting vaccinated is the key to us defeating COVID-19, but masks play a part too. They keep all the dirty little particles from entering our airwaves. Live in Lafayette, I'm Princess Janae Steverson-Lowry, News 15.
Thank you, Princess. Well, Dr. Hebert says after speaking with some people over at LPSS, there is a safety protocol in the works, and a proposal by the school board is expected to be released this coming Monday and will likely go to a vote with the board sometime on Wednesday.